Hello friends, in last session we are see the line command and polyline command. In that polyline command, which commands are available? That commands we are also only watch. In this session we will see the all the polyline commands. There are 5 commands. First of all, we will see how to use. Select polyline command. See the command line. There is specify start point, otherwise near the cursor. There also in a dialog box specify start command. Okay. Here, first of all, specify start point. Okay. After that, specify next point. After that, specify next point. The polyline command is used like a draw continuously lines as per our requirement. Okay. Click on escape. Okay. Now next, after selecting polyline command in and specifying the first point, see in command line there are 5 options are available. First one is arc, second one is half width, third one is length, fourth one is undo, and fifth is width. Okay. Now we are see all the 5 commands one by one. Okay. First of all, we will enter directly arc, otherwise A, and enter. Okay. See in command line, specify next endpoint of the arc. Here this is asking for us specifying endpoint of the arc. We specify the endpoint of the arc here. Okay, this is a specify endpoint of the arc. This also command used like a continuous. Okay, see like this the arc command is used. Okay. Escape. Select all and delete. Okay. Now once again select a polyline command. If you want to use shortcut, then use P. Okay. If you want to use shortcut of the polyline command, then enter PL and enter. If you want directly enter PL and enter. Okay. P-line command. P-line command means polyline command. Okay. Specify starting point of the polyline command. After that, we will see half width. Okay. Now here enter H and enter. Okay. See in command line, specify starting half width of the polyline command. Enter 5. Okay. Enter. Next, asking us specify end half width. Okay, that also 5. Okay, and enter. See, this is a half width of the this is a preview of the half width command. And see in command line what are asking, specify next point of the polyline command. If you want to directly enter the length of the half width, then enter, otherwise click OK. I want to enter the value. Okay, I want to enter 50 and click on enter. Okay, see, this is a polyline command and escape. See, this is a half width of the polyline command. Okay, now you can select the polyline command. See, after selecting polyline command, it will take as it is command. Okay, then what to do? Okay, then select H, enter. Okay, here enter specify starting half width 0, enter. After that again specify ending half width 0, enter. Okay, now see, the preview of the command is in single line. Okay, like that you can set on 0, 0. Okay, now PL, enter, specify start point of the line. Okay, then enter L, enter. Okay, this command use like a line command, means continuous line. Okay, if you want to enter angle and length, if you want. Okay, then next PL, enter. Okay, now specify first point of the line. After that create continuous lines, and now we will see undo command. Okay, you can enter U for undo command and enter. See, this is a small line is undo. Okay, like this the undo command is used. Otherwise you can directly use from here. Okay, see, like this. Okay, now the last point is, the last command is width. After specifying first point, the in command line the width option is available. Okay, if you want for using width, you can enter W and enter. Okay, see here the width command is same work as it is as a like a half width. Okay, and after using width command you can set on 0, 0. Otherwise you are whenever using the width polyline command, it will take a width. Okay, in your specifying dimension. Okay, that's why you can set on 0, 0. Okay, now here specify. Now in width command we will see make a arrow. Okay, in simple way. Here starting point of the width is 5. Okay, enter, and the ending point of the width is 0 and enter. Okay, see, like this you can create a arrow and enter the length of the arrow 5. Okay, enter. See, like this the arrow is created. Okay. simple. See, like this, error is created. Okay, in next session we will see circle command and subcircles of the command. There are 6 circle types. Okay, we will see in next lecture one by one. Okay, if any doubt in this session regarding Polyline, you can please comment in the comment box. We will revise the Polyline command. Okay, thank you.